I'm about to run you through how to trade on the best exchange out there. And I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how to change the pairs, how to actually use different trading, how to use market analysis tools, and how to set up your Bybit account and get $20 for free. That's right. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. But if you deposit $100 right now, my link down below, set it up as a new user on Bybit, you're going to get $20 thrown at you for absolutely free. There's terms and conditions written down below. Let's get into this video, guys. How to trade crypto. So guys, the first step into trading crypto is to get yourself signed up on Bybit. Then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this with what different tools. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, is create an account, provide your email address, and check your inbox for a 6-digit verification code. Then it's very easy. You just make a deposit. Now in that deposit, like I said in the intro, you're actually going to get $20 given to you for absolutely free. That's right, for free if you deposit $100 and it's your first deposit, and you can KYC within 7 days. Once you've done that, guys, you can kick off your trading journey. And again, I'm going to show you how to do that. As we go to markets, guys, you can see an overview of all the markets. Now, the first thing you should always be doing is checking an overview of what is going on in the crypto space. Okay, there's an extreme greed going on right now, which means pretty much everything has been moving long for a while. Okay, you're going to want to get involved in all of the different pairs. You should never just start trading crypto and just go straight into one token and say, oh, this looks good, let's do it. You should be looking at what the crypto market's doing. And the majority of the crypto market moves with the price of Bitcoin. Now, that doesn't mean to say if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up, but majority of the movements in crypto will follow what Bitcoin does. If this dropped dramatically 50% now, a lot of crypto would absolutely crumble. If it went up 1000%, a lot of crypto would probably follow. All right, so that's a really good aspect to keep in mind. Okay, so keep it in mind, the Bitcoin market, okay? You can also use tools like the Trade GPT to find out what's going on in the crypto market. Here is a very advanced AI where you can actually ask them what you need to know. So let's say, for example, I've logged in today, okay? I've made my deposit, I've got my $20 for free. Hey, I have $20 to use for trading today. I want to trade Bitcoin. Could you tell me the market overview and prediction for Bitcoin for the next 24 hours? So I just want to know what's going on with the crypto, what's going on with Bitcoin. What does this AI think is going to happen in the next 24 hours? Make a decision for myself of where I should put this $20 inside of the Bitcoin market. Maybe I should just buy it and hold. Maybe I should trade it. All right, so it's going to give you a full overview with the last prices, all this. Okay, this is stuff that you need to digest before putting any trades on. And then in prediction, given the current market conditions, Bitcoin's experienced a light downtrend, 2.43% in the last 24 hours. Greece sentiment indicates that trades are highly optimistic, which can lead to increased volatility. So, telling me the conclusion, Bitcoin may experience fluctuations in the price, potential resistance at 108 and support 103. So it thinks it's going to go a bit up, bit down. All right, pretty simple, which means here I'm probably not going to make any amazing profit unless I get the exact candle going up, the exact candle going down. So I'm not going to put my $20 into Bitcoin today. All right, if it was saying it's going to be long, we can start to catch a huge trade. Now, if you want to actually trade this, you can go through the trading portal. You can go into spot, futures, options, gold effects, whatever you want. Spot trading is probably the most popular because you can literally trade on the spot, which is what we are here. That means you can get into the market right now at the price it's at, choose the amount you want to buy in, and then you are in this trade. You are in the market at the exact moment that you are looking at the screen. Now, that's the best way to do it, in my opinion, spot trading, okay? But they have an array of tools. Now, you can go in here and do things like copy trading. You can do grid trading. And all these guys, I'm going to make videos on them so you can see exactly what tools Bybit offers. Something you should always be doing is going through the pairs on crypto. Now, you can see up here BTC to USDT. Now, this is an easy way to begin your crypto trading journey, going through every single pair, okay? Knowing what the crypto is, knowing how that pair is starting to move, seeing the patterns between each pair. Like I said at the beginning, how the pairs follow Bitcoin. Now, you can see here, Pengu, for example. I know this pair, okay? I know that this is a meme coin, is 853% up, but Bitcoin is down 2.4. So like I said, it doesn't mean that everything's going to follow Bitcoin. But if you look at the main pairs, they're pretty much always going to be close to in sync unless there is huge news particular for that pair. So Ethereum usually will follow Bitcoin. Okay, so if this has dropped down 2% today, 3% today, it's probably because Bitcoin took a little bit of a dip. So you can start working out patterns going on in here, okay? To change your pair, simply come up here, go down. You could do USDC pairs, USDE pairs, and you could change this between perpetual, futures, options, and margin trading as well, guys. All right, so literally anything you want to do is up in this little toolbox, okay? And you can choose the pairs and things you want to trade. And that's how you trade on Bybit, guys. What I do recommend is if you don't know how to trade yet, please use the demo trading. That means they'll give you an unlimited amount of money and you can waste it all because it actually is not real money. But you go through the exact real steps and live conditions on that demo trading. So once you can get 30 days of making profit on a demo trade, and you know you can go and use that $20 you got for free, that $100 you deposit, and actually make profit. Don't just dive in day one trading money and lose it, okay? That's not what we want here. Make sure to make most of that $20 bonus when you deposit $100. Hit that link down below, guys, to be a new user and deposit that. Make sure you KYC and enjoy that free crypto from me. Hit the like button, hit subscribe with the bell if you're notified. Please use demo trader when beginning out, but get traded. That's the main key. I'll see you next time.